Welcome. This is Absolute GH once again. Today we are going to make washing soap. Yes, I'm going to make 4.5 liters of oil, and that's what I'm going to teach you today. In my previous video, I taught you how to use heat transfer method to make bathing soap. So I'm using the same method to make the washing soap. So these are the ingredients. This is my PKO, palm kernel oil. This is my caustic soda water, and this is the caustic soda. This one is glycerin. Yes, that's the glycerin. I've already measured it. And then the water and then soda ash water too is here. I also have perfume and then shea butter. I like using shea butter a lot for my soap because it does magic. No time to waste. So we are starting straight away by mixing my color with some amount of oil. You have to get a little amount of oil to mix your color with it so that you don't see lumps in your soup after the preparation. So this is what I'm doing. I will just stir and make sure that the color is warm. Please, the color you have to use is oil color. The color you have to use here is oil color. In all my soap videos, I've been teaching you how to make soaps using cold process method. And this time, I've ventured into hot heat transfer method of making soap. So you can also call it somehow, it's not hot process, it's not cold process, but this one, you use the heat of the caustic soda, you transfer the heat to melt your oils and your butters. So I'm mixing the caustic soda outside, as you can see. I'm doing it outside so that I don't get choked with the perfume inside. So it's always advisable to, protect yourself well when you are making soaps. Once you finish mixing your caustic soda and it's cool, don't cool it down. Just allow the evaporation to go a little. Then you pour it directly into your butters. You can either use any butters, not only shea butter. Cocoa butter is one, cacao butter, a lot of butters like. There are more butters around, but the cheaper ones at the market here in Ghana is the shea butter. Second one is the cocoa butter. The rest, mango butters and the rest are expensive to use for soaps here in Ghana. It's good you continue to stir until the butters, all of it, all the shea butter gets melted by the light solution heat. So once that is done, then you go ahead and then you mix your soda ash. You mix your soda ash with the water. The quantity of all the ingredients and its measurement will be getting to the latter part of the video. So kindly watch to the end so that you know the ingredient and its measurement. So once you finish mixing your soda ash, you then go ahead and you add it to the mixed shea butter and then the caustic soda. But before then, I will be adding the rest of my oils to the shea butter and then the lye solution before I go ahead to add the soda ash to it. Soda ash one acts as foam booster. It helps in foaming and also acts as a filler. You can use silicates in your soap if you want. Everything you keep adding to your soap, mind you, is a cost. So you can even go ahead and add calcium. You can add sodium sulfate. You can add sulfonic acid. You can add SLS. Anything you want to add to boost your soap, you can add. But mind you, it's a cost. So it's important you check those things when you are adding or combining ingredients for your soup. So after the shea butter has melted well and blended well with the caustic soda, I went ahead to add in the PKO or the palm kernel oil. Remind you, this one I'm only using palm kernel oil and then shea butter for this soup. So you combine the two, then you gradually, since the lye solution is very hot, you don't have to pour all at once. Just pour it in small quantity, like you are seeing me doing in the video, so that it will prevent it from forming lumps, or it end up water will just separate from the oil if you go ahead and you add it once. Sometimes that's how it happens. So once you gradually pour it in, then you continue to stir until it's well blended before you go ahead to add in your soda ash. So let me put it across here. There are so many ways you can learn to make soup. You can make soup like this, you sell, you get profits, it's okay. But there are other methods that you can learn that will make you get more profits than this method. If you want to learn those things, just contact me. If you want to venture into soap business, contact me, and then all the tricks involved in making soap, and then getting profit out of your soap production. It's very important. If you also need soap cutter, the commercial type that comes with the mold, the cutter itself, the design metal, customized stamp, and the rest, just contact me. I will send it to you. I'm gradually pouring in the soda ash solution. So that one too, I'm doing it, small. I'm not pouring in at once, just in bits, so that it will blend well with the oils and then the lye solution. So you continue to stir. You have to stir to get a trace. It's very important. If you need the commercial soap cutter, just contact me. Like I said, it will be sent to you. And if you also need training, you contact me. An arrangement will be made. My training does not have a time limit like the others do. It lasts until you yourself, you are okay, and then you don't contact me again. I'm pouring in, I just poured in the color. And then also, you mix. When you use the heat transfer method, it gives you the room to, make your soap. Unlike the cold process where you have to be very fast, you work with speed. This one, because there's heat in the soap, it does not trace as fast as you are using the cold process method. I just added in my glycerin. Like I always said, I like working with glycerin in all my soaps, whether it's washing soap or bathing soap. It also comes with a cost. So if you are not comfortable with it, you can leave it and then you skip the glycerin part. But I prefer to add it to all my soaps. Any type of soap I make, I try to add in my glycerin. So you can see that now the soap has traced, and the final ingredient that will go in is the perfume. I just added in the perfume. I will add it small and then mix well. It's very important to add in the perfume so that it will smell good, and also it lathers. All customers want from soap is that a soap that lathers, and at the same time that has a good smell. If you get these two right, then you are good to go. You can even mix your perfume with polysorbate and other fixatives to make it smell very well or smell good. It has now fully traced, so I'm going to pour it into my soap mold. The reason why I love this heat transfer method so much is that it helps the soap to saponify very fast, and it also helps in the gelling of the soap, which makes it more smooth and look more shiny and attractive. So that's why I like using the heat transfer method for my soaps. I use it a lot, but most of my videos is because people are familiar with the cold process. That's why I always use the cold process method to, teach how to make soap. And I will, in my subsequent video, I will also teach you how to use the hot process, to teach you the hot process to make soap. My commercial soap won't take 4.5 liters of oil. So after you have spread it into your mold, then you cover it for the soap to gel. I like doing this a lot. And this one is right after the preparation of the soap. And I'm washing the bowls without any soap, and see, it's lathering. Once it cures, then it will foam or it will lather more than this. If you have not subscribed to this channel, try and subscribe so that you always get notified when I upload a new video, because there are more videos where this came from. And also try and share to others too, and then leave a comment and then like. When you do these things, it helps encourage us to do more for you. So I would like to appeal to you to subscribe to this channel, and then share the link, and then leave a comment and then like too. So if you have watched up to this point, then congratulations. We are done with the preparation of the soap. This is the final one. This is the soap cutter that I'm talking about. I'm showing you how you can use it. You can see how beautiful it has designed the soap, and it has cut the soap. You can use it. This is what it's at the market. Then you stamp it. That's all. So thank you for watching my video, and then my next video, like I said, will be how to use hot process to make soap. So thank you for watching.